Hello, this is Debbie, and I have a sweet story to tell. Have you ever taken a picture that you knew was going to be fabulous because the subject matter was fabulous? And then magic happens. My friend was growing the most beautiful sunflowers in her yard, and I just had to take a picture. I picked up my camera and found the most beautiful sunflower, and I was just about ready to click, and one of nature's beauties joined us, a butterfly. I call this Mother Nature's magic. I hope the sunflower and butterfly bring hope and love to your heart. I would also like to leave you with a quote that I created I call my magical design, and that is, art isn't just painted or played, it's grown and sung by Mother Nature herself.